going to show you how to teach your kids how to cast a fishing rod from home. A few really easy, simple steps that we've come up with using the word fish. Vera, the F stands for?
Find your grip.
The I?
Index finger.
S, swing open your bail. And the H?
Hold on your rod.
Hold on to your rod. We're going to take you through step by step.
First step, you need to find the right grip.
Which is as simple as one finger above the reel seat, the rest of the fingers are below, and your thumb on the top of the rod there. Second hand, you can have it on the bottom of the rod here. We keep our arms away from our body a little bit, not tucked in too close, just sort of out there, which gives us a good easy motion to be able to cast that rod forwards, just like that.
The index finger is important for two reasons. The first reason is that it helps us to hold our line against the rod. So Arch, can you use your index finger to pull your line against the rod? Now we do this so that when we cast, the line doesn't fall off the spool before we're ready. The second reason our index finger is important is that when we do cast and let go, we're going to use that same finger to point along the rod in the direction that we want our fishing rod to go. It will also stop our fishing rod from going side to side. So Arch, can you just show us how we would let go and then point our finger straight?
The next step is to swing open the bail arm. This allows the line to come off the spool during the cast. Now Vera will give you another demonstration. Just close him up. Simple as that.
Finally, H is to hold on your rod.
So it's very important that we hold on to our rod because we don't want to cast and then accidentally let go of our rod. Another reason to hold on to our rod is that when we do catch a fish, it can tug at your line and catch you out by surprise. So if you're holding on nice and tight, you'll never drop your rod and you'll be able to catch your fish.
So a simple way to teach the kids the motion of casting is start your cast at 10 o'clock, coming forward, releasing that index finger at 2 o'clock. This gives the rod a chance to load up and send that lure out, and also by not coming past 10 o'clock, you're not in danger of hitting the rod behind you on the ground or hitting the rod in front of you on the ground.
Now that we have learnt what we need to do, it's time to put that into practice. So remember the 4 important steps. Find your grip, index finger, swing the bail open, and hold on to your rod. The more you practice, the better you're going to get. Take it away, kids. And hopefully we'll see you out on the water soon.